Okay, I have this power supply, old PC desktop power supply that I use for my cameras at home. It's a very nice supply. I just use the yellow and the black is a 12 volt output. You'll see here 12 volt. All the colors is orange, white, blue, purple, green, gray. The yellow is the plus 12 volt and it's 18 amps. It's a lot of amps you can push for a home job or whatever. So if you have an old PC lying around, but this one is a fan that's making a noise. So over the years, what you do, you can see online, you just ground normally the purple wire, the green wire, you ground it and then it switches on by itself. Otherwise it won't be able to switch on. So what I need to do now is to open the thing and just that we can get to the fan, and then I'll get back to you once it's open. Okay, now it's just those 4 screws, and now you can see here's your power supply. And what I need to do now is to take out this fan. It has this little funny screws. Then we're gonna quickly oil it, but I don't draw so much energy, so I don't think the fan is necessary anyway, but let's not do it as it was originally. So here's the fan. You can see all the, while you're busy, you can somewhat take your toothbrush, just clean all the fluff off here. And now you lift this thing here, the DC brushless 12 volt. Then you stick it there. Then you'll see there's a little plastic circlip. What you need to happen now is that thing must come out. So there's your circlip. Now you can push this whole fan out. Now you can take it out. So there's your coils, the electronics that pulse them. You can see how dirty this thing is now. So I say while it's open, someone go and clean it. So magnet. You can someone take. Now you take 3-in-1 oil. Oh, Vaseline. Vaseline is actually better because it's thicker. It's gonna stay longer. Then you just go put some Vaseline bottles on here and the capstan here, and you can push it back. And then you can put more Vaseline inside here. Back some more in here. And then you put your circler back. Take it pliers. Now it's in. Now this one is service. Now it's gonna, then you just close it for the dust to get in there. And now we're gonna just go and put this thing back here where it belongs. Okay, now all that fan is back there. So I'm gonna take your compressor and blow it out, and then you can put the lid back. You can put all the screws back here. In there. This one here. Okay, now your power supply fan is serviced. If it's making a noise, oh, this thing is, I need to put it back. Okay, that's it. I'm finished. As I said, like this is, so you can see the 5 volt is 2 amps. There's a minus 12 volt, but the positive 12 volt in a common. It is 18 amps. So there's a lot of amps you can use in the supply. So very nice supply, and it's very cheap if you have an old PC box. Okay, all from my side. Till next time, cheers.